Hello! This is Psychic Elvira. Hope you had a happy Halloween. Yes. There we go. Awesome. Anyways, this video is for me to show you something I purchased recently. If you believe it or you don't believe it, that is your choice. I'm Psychic Elvira, and I don't care what you think. So, this is what I bought. To some, it is but a piece of wood. To others, it is a magical device. Oh my god, I just feel like Harry Potter right now. But no. It is my magic wand. And I am loving it, to be quite honest. I just found a little mark on it. And I feel like that was from... It was obviously made by a witch. And there's like a knife mark there. And I know exactly why. I feel like that she's put her mark on it so it has good intent. So I don't care about that mark. I just feel positive energy within it, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I just thought it was cool and it was pretty, and it is something that I am going to try and understand, and if you know. So that's my magic wand. I also have been purchasing broomsticks because every witch needs a broom. So yes, I believe in the elements and that we are but energy, and we can work with energy. I believe that when I'm picking up readings, I'm working with people's energy because I feel a lot, and when I'm doing everything I'm like, I feel. So I feel like I'm tapping into energy sources. I know that sounds absolutely insane to some, but that's the only way I can explain it. So I do feel that there is a way to pull in those energies towards you or away from you. And that when we pass, only the people who pass will really know, but I feel like it has some kind of connection with going back to the energy and all that stuff, but that's for a different conversation. I will pull you guys, whoever watches this video, this is a totem card for you all. Spirit totem. Your card is the polar bear. So whoever is watching it, this is for you, and it says, stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to outcome. I do that all the time. So basically that means to say what you feel, say what's on your mind, not be afraid of what others say or judge or care, because this is like, you have one life and that's it. So who cares basically what everyone else thinks? as long as you're not hurting anybody and you're positive, then it's basically your life, isn't it? Really? Yeah. Anyways, I hope you all had a cracking, the word cracking, Halloween. I dressed up as the Joker, and it was quite amusing. Everybody thought I was a man. No, not since I last checked. But I have a lot of readings to do, so I'm going to see you all towards the end of November when I'm doing the December predictions for you all. So, have a great bonfire night if you're in England, which is tomorrow. And peace, love, and God bless.